What is a land contract? Not sure all states in the United States allow this. However, here in the state of Ohio, it's a popular option for people seeking ownership of real estate without a bank or lender financing. It's seller financing, right? Let's break down the legal language in simpler terms. Land contract installment, or land installment contract, rather. It's an agreement where one party promises to sell a piece of land in Ohio and the other party promises to buy it, making installment payments. However, the seller keeps the title to the land until the buyer pays the full amount. This agreement is not required to be completed within 1 year from the date it was made. Note that contracts just giving the option to buy land are not considered land installment contracts, right? Like your lease options. Property. This refers to land in Ohio that has a house or building on it. Vendor. The person or entity selling the property. It can be an individual, a company, or any other organized group. The vendee, the person who buys an interest in the property through a land installment contract, or anyone who legally takes over that person's rights. Legal description, a detailed description of the property, including specific boundaries or lot numbers on a recorded map. It also includes any part of the property that might have restrictive or reservations like easements. In simpler terms, these definitions are explaining the terms and conditions involved when someone is buying or selling land in Ohio through an installment payment plan. There you have it, land contracts. To learn more, visit sessionslending.com. Thank you.